Now what do you have, mister? You got coffee? What? What do you have? Come on. Let's see. Careful. Careful, little man.
All together.
He's walking. Papa? He's bringing you something, I think.
Bringing up for Papa? Well, thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. He's proud of it, too.
He took it out of the pantry. Where are you going? Coming to see Grandma?